Do you want to have soft, smooth lips? Well, today is your lucky day. You see, taking care of your lips is as important as any other part of your skincare routine. A good lip care regimen can help prevent the discomfort of dry, chapped lips and make your lipstick application not only smoother, but also longer lasting. So, whether it's winter or summer, day or night, giving your lips a little extra TLC goes a long way. With the right routine, you can achieve soft, kissable lips. Want to know how? Keep listening. Achieving soft, smooth lips might seem like a challenge, but it's easier than you think. Let's take it step by step. Start your lip care routine with a good exfoliating lip scrub. This will gently remove dead skin and flaky patches, revealing a fresh, smooth surface. Take a small amount of lip scrub and lightly massage it onto your lips in a circular motion for about 1 minute. You can make this a part of your routine twice a week. Next, it's time to hydrate and nourish with a lip mask. Think of this as a deep conditioning treatment for your lips. Apply a generous layer of the lip mask and let it sit for 15 minutes. This can be done once or twice a week, depending on how dry your lips are. Finally, we have the lip balm, the unsung hero of lip care. Lip balm is essential to moisturize and protect your lips from harsh elements. Choose a lip balm with SPF if you're going to be out in the sun. Apply it generously throughout the day, especially before going to bed. This should be done daily. So, there you have it, a simple 3-step lip care routine. Exfoliate with a lip scrub, hydrate with a lip mask, and moisturize with a lip balm. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this routine and you'll see results in no time. Let's quickly revisit what we've covered today. We started by underlining the importance of lip care. Remember, our lips are sensitive, delicate, and deserve as much attention as any other part of our beauty regimen. Neglecting them can lead to dryness, chapping, and even premature aging. We then walked you through a step-by-step lip care routine, a simple yet effective way to keep your lips healthy and beautiful. We talked about starting with a good lip scrub to exfoliate and remove dead skin cells, following up with a lip mask to nourish and hydrate, and finally sealing in all that goodness with a moisturizer. This routine not only prepares your lips for a smooth lipstick application, but also helps maintain their health and vitality over time. Remember, consistency is key. It's not a one-time miracle, but a habit that yields long-term results. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to have those soft, smooth lips you've always wanted. So go forth and pucker up.